Hello students, let's revisit our topic fractions. So I have already provided a lecture on what fractions are, but I will give a quick overview of what are fractions and what are the type of fractions. So fraction is something that is denoted as a numerator and a denominator. By a divided by sign, right? So there are four types of fractions. One is called proper fraction, right? Second is improper fraction. Then you have mixed fraction, and then there is something called equivalent fractions. Okay, so proper fractions is where you have a numerator greater than denominator, right? So let's say you have so numerator is lesser than denominator, okay, usually. So that's what the proper fraction is. So 1 by 2, 2 by 3, these are all proper fractions. Improper fraction is where you have numerator greater than denominator, right? So you, let's say 7 by 3, 9 by 7, these are all improper fractions. Mixed fraction is where you have a whole number and a fraction. 2, 1 by 3, 3, 2 by 7, something like that. So it is written like this: 2, 1 by 3, 3, 1 by 7, something like that, right? Equivalent fraction is when the two numbers have the equal value, right? Let's say 1 by 2 and 2 by 4. So both are multiples of 2, and then if you do change this fraction, the ultimate fraction that comes out is 1 by 2, right? So 1 by 2 and 2 by 4, 4 by 8 are equivalent fractions, right? So this is about fractions. So let's say you have how do you identify an equivalent fraction? Let's say you have a box, right, and it is divided into two parts, right? So you say, and this is shaded, so you'll say one of the two parts of this rectangle is shaded, right? Now let's say you divide this into another two parts, right? So it is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4. So you'll say 4, and then 2 out of that 4 box is shaded, right? So this is how equivalent fractions is denoted. Improper fractions, let's say you have 3 circles, and each of the circle is divided into 3 parts, 3 equal parts, right? And this is completely shaded, this is completely shaded, and this is shaded, right? So you take the number of parts in one circle, which is 3, and total number of shaded in 3 circles, 3 plus 3, 6, and plus 1, 7. So when you denote this diagram like this, it will become an improper fraction. Now a mixed fraction is like you will have you have a whole number and a fraction. So when you change this mixed fraction into a proper fraction, you do 2 times 3 plus 1. So there is a multiplication here, and then there is an addition here. So 3 times 2 is 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So it is denoted as this. So this is a mixed fraction where you have this becomes your denominator is multiplied by the whole number and then added to the numerator. So this is an overview of what we have already covered in fractions. Hope this is more clear now. Thank you.